Hello guys, I got a brand new update for you. This platform is actually interesting and you can be making some extra cash with this. I'm gonna be showing you how to do that in this video. So if you want to know how it works, stick to this video till the end. Alright, so now before I go any further, there is a link in the description of this video. That is what you need in order for you to join me on this platform. So there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below of this video, click it and join me as I show you how to use this platform and make some extra cash. Alright, so but I also want to make this clear to you all that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you steps and things you can do online to make some extra cash by the side. So, don't anything you are investing, it is all at your own risk. So quickly, I'm gonna go continue what I'm doing by showing you the first step that you need to know is let's go to the mining era, the machines, so you can know what is really going on here first. So first of all, after you sign up, put in your security password, your password, and most important things. So you sign up and you're going to come to a page like this, and once you come to a page like this, to in order for you to put some money onto this to start working, start mining, I think you need to click on wallet. Now this platform gives it's mainly about Dogecoin. It gives your rewards are in Dogecoin. You're gonna be making some Dogecoin with this, but you can also recharge with your USDT. If you have USDT in your wallet, you can use USDT, you can use your Doge, you can use Tron, TRX. If you have them in your wallet and you want to recharge, you can do that. So I have some Tron in my wallet and that's what I want to use right now. I want to show you how you can put your recharge on this. So all you need to do is click on recharge on any coin you want to use. I'll be using the TRX, the Tron. So I'm just gonna copy the address. Then I have to go to my wallet. Okay, choose wallet. Go to my wallet, log in, and use my. All right, I will want to send. Let me send in. I think I have and paste it over here. I'll send in 50 Tron. Okay, sending 50 Tron. Okay, and let's confirm. Okay, all right, I think 50 Tron is gone. Okay, good, I think it's gone. Now let's go back to the platform and see. Okay, then it is written here that please refresh the page after 3 minutes. Check the account. Okay, okay, I just refreshed here. After 3 minutes, I just refreshed and voila, I can see my Tron. I think it's here. I can see it's the record has shown. Let me just drag this. I'm coming, sorry. Let me drag this away. Okay, you can see it down below here. 50 Tron. Yes, I think so. Okay, now let's go back. Alright, our Tron is here, is available right now. We have 50 on our balance. Okay, now what we are going to be doing, in order for us to have some Doge to transfer the 50 Tron we just invested, that we just recharged to Doge, you need to click on mine. Come over to mine, then you click on trade. You click on trade and okay, right here we have, let's just go ahead, write the amount you want to change. Yes, 50. Then it's going to, okay, we're gonna be having about 21 Doge on the balance. So all I need to do now is I think we use immediately redeem. Yes, let's go. Click. Okay, submit success. Okay, then okay. Okay, now I think I have my Doge on my balance already. Let's go back. Go back and check my wallet. Okay, very good. We just got that. You can see it over here. My 50 Tron has become 21 Doge. So all I need to do now is to go to the machine and buy this particular, the minimum, because 21 can't go more than, counts 21 Doge. I think, okay. I know you can't see very well what is written here, but let's pay good attention to this. Okay, where's the cursor? Alright, is there. Then I write production. Okay, no, sorry, excuse me. Okay, I think I will use 21. Okay, 21. Alright, fine. I just wrote 21 there and I click on agree. So 21 Dodge is gonna producing me 75 Dodge in total, 75.6 in total. So in the next 90 days, and all I need to do now is buy. Click on buy. Okay, I have to put my security password. Confirm. Purchase success. Okay. Alright, now you can see my machine. You can see it's already running. I just bought a machine of 21 Dodge, which is running here already. Okay, then I can come back to check it to see how many Dodge it has mined for me. Now, for that's how you can you can buy a mining machine on this platform quickly. That's how it works. And you can also take advantage of this platform by doing some simple tasks, which is by going on, if you're excuse me, if you're a YouTuber, you can quickly make a video like mine and put it on YouTube, and you contact this address for you to get your reward. If you have a Facebook, you can also upload on Facebook. You can use Twitter. If you're a TikToker, you have a TikTok page that is really moving, you can make a video and just put it on and send a link to them. You are gonna get some extra Dodge. I think about 6 Dodge as reward from the company. So that is how it works. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only showing you things you can do to make extra cash online. So invest at your own risk, and that's all. You can also share your affiliate link. Where is that? You can share your affiliate link, which is also, you can click here, invite friends. You can click invite friends, and invite friends, and you copy your link over here and share with your friends on your social media, WhatsApp, and so on. Invite people and you get more rewards from the company. So that's how you can make extra cash on this platform. So if you like what I just showed you and you want to be part of it, there's a link in the description. Go down below and sign up and do the necessary stuff, and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time, subscribe, because I always send you guys good updates. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Till next time guys, bye, ciao.